Meaning of ginkgo.
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 Ginkgo. Ginkgo refers to a species of tree native to China known for its unique fan-shaped leaves. The word ginkgo is derived from the Chinese word xinxing, which means silver apricot. The ginkgo tree is considered a living fossil, with fossils dating back more than 200 million years. Today, ginkgo trees are widely cultivated throughout the world for their ornamental beauty and medicinal properties. Ginkgo leaf extract is often used as a natural remedy to improve cognitive function, relieve anxiety, and reduce inflammation.